Hello all. I hope you are doing good and great. So, welcome to JK Tech. This is my first video on introduction to SailPoint. I'm doing this first video, and I hope if you like this video, then please share, subscribe to my channel. And today I'm going to explain about what is SailPoint. I just give a brief introduction to the SailPoint. So this is like what are different modules available in SailPoint. There are multiple modules are there in SailPoint, which include compliance manager, lifecycle manager, privileged account management module, connectors and integration module, password manager, AWS governance module, and SAP governance module. In this, we will see like mostly on compliance manager and lifecycle manager. Comes into the compliance manager, there are access certifications, policies like SOD policies, reporting, so and so is covered in compliance module. And comes into the lifecycle manager, it contains like automated lifecycle events and multiple things will cover in lifecycle manager part. It's like a self-service access. And comes into the learning path. Here you should learn about how to install SailPoint in your local environment and like how to integrate applications. Once installation is completed, then you should learn about how to integrate applications into IdentityIQ. And then you should learn about what are the tasks and how to configure those tasks. What are different types of tasks available. And next, then you should learn like what is certification and how to configure those certifications in IdentityIQ. What is the purpose? So I will cover these things in next coming slides, like what you have to learn as a SailPoint developer or SailPoint admin. And like what are life cycle events and what is grouping constructs, so that you should learn. It comes into how to install SailPoint. First thing is like you should understand the architecture of SailPoint. If you know the architecture of SailPoint, then you should understand what and all components are available in SailPoint. And comes into the architecture part, you need a, it's like a SailPoint is a web application, so you need one web application server. Here I'm planning to install like Tomcat, and you should go with the database, backend databases like MySQL DB. So you should learn like how to install Tomcat, how to install MySQL DB, and how to configure DB details in IIQ.properties file, and how to configure IIQ tables in MySQL DB, and how to create extended attributes in SailPoint, and log configurations, log file for Tomcat or like SailPoint related files. And next one is like application integration. Here you should learn how to onboard applications into IdentityIQ. So here you should learn about what is application onboarding, how to integrate applications, and what are different types of application pre-defined, pre-configured applications which SailPoint supports. Here I mentioned very few like delimited type, JDBC, multiplex, and Active Directory. And here you should also learn like how to configure correlation, manager correlation, and there are some rules are there like build map rule, creation rule, correlation rule, manager correlation, customization, and managed entitlement customization rule. So different types of rules are there in application integration part. So you should learn end to end in application integration part. And comes into the configure tasks. Here you should learn about what are different, what is task, what are different out of box tasks available in IdentityIQ, what is the purpose of each and every task, what is the importance of task, and how to what are the different types of configurations available in account aggregation, identity refresh, account group aggregation. So this you can see like these three are the most commonly used in IdentityIQ. And then you should learn about how to schedule tasks for daily uses and how to implement custom tasks. Let's say if OOTP tasks are not fit for our requirement, then we should go for the custom task. Then you should learn how to implement these custom tasks in SailPoint. And comes into the certifications. Here you should learn about what is access review in identity IQ. Access review and certifications both are synonymous words. So you should learn about what is certification and what is access review. So next thing is what are different phases available in certification and what are different types of certification that Identity IQ supports. Here I mentioned very few, which includes application owner, manager, entitlement owner, advanced certification. And there are some more certifications also there. And here you should learn about reminders and escalations. What is the case if manager is not taking action on certain items? Here Identity IQ will send reminders and escalate to some higher managers, step one, step two, like that. And next one, how to test these reminders and escalations in lower environment. And next one is what is exclusion rule and what is a pre-delegation rule. You just see the overview and you should implement these functionalities in your lower environment. And next one comes into the configurations. Here you should learn about how to create extended identity attributes. What is extended identity attributes? You should learn about extended attributes, which there are different types of extended attributes are there. If it comes into identity, it's identity extended attributes. If it comes into application level, it's an account extended attributes. If it comes into application related information, then application extended attributes are there. So these extended attributes are useful to add additional information of identity or account or application, or it may be roles. And next one is you have, if you want to move objects from one environment to another environment, or if you want to import some descriptions of entitlements, you need to import those data into SailPoint by using, there is an option. So there is an option in SailPoint, so that you should learn like how to import these XML objects into SailPoint. And then you should go on to configuration of emails. So here you should learn about multiple ways to configure emails. So here are the SailPoint support like SMTP and redirect to file or redirect to email that you should learn. Once this part is completed, you should learn about out of box audit events, audit logs. So here, if someone comes and do some changes, or if someone deleted some application, or if some new user joins, so that will be recorded in Identity IQ in audit logs. So first we need to configure it, then it should be helpful for the audit purpose. And next one is life cycle events. Here you should learn about what is the purpose and what is the uses of life cycle event and how to configure those life cycle events and what are different trigger types available in life cycle event and how to launch workflow through lifecycle events and working session on JML. It's like a joiner, lever, and a transfer or mover. So this you should learn in lifecycle event parts. So here you should learn about like a complete implementation in this. The next one is a grouping construct. In grouping construct, you should learn about what is group, where can we use groups, and how to create groups, and what is work group, and how to configure work groups, and what are populations, and how to create populations, where we can use these groups, work groups, and populations. This is what you should learn. And next, it comes into the conclusion. I hope you got some idea like what to learn in SailPoint. I just updated like only few information that will be helpful. And if you are looking for support training, please reach out to the below details. JK Tech email is suman.753@gmail.com. I hope you like this video. This is my first video and thank you. Advance.